Good morning, guys. How are you today? It's a beautiful day. It's around 55 degrees right now. Feeling really, really good. I'm really, really grateful. Just to even partake in any of this is a blessing. Y'all got y'all's coffee? I got some tea this morning, some hot chocolate. It doesn't really feel bad. I'm gonna take me a shower, get myself all dutied up a little bit for this weather, and start my day. So I just wanted to say good morning. Welcome back to another video. Y'all, it is Vlogtober the 23rd. Oh my gosh, we only got 7 more to go. And I think them 7, some of them gonna be mostly lives, okay? If y'all want them, okay? So y'all let me know in today's video if y'all want some more lives. This is so good, so good. So guys, the only thing I have to do is when I go in from drinking my coffee and enjoying some of this fresh air and this little vitamin D because the sun is out a little bit, we're going to tackle the, I'm going to be putting the knobs on. The mirror in the bedroom has to be lowered. That will be done. I'm trying to think. The sign in the hallway. The plants. All that kind of stuff is basically, it's just in there, but it has to be placed where it belongs. So in this video, I'm just going to do that. And then, I don't know, y'all just tag along for whatever's in this video today, okay? Remember, y'all, I just want y'all to remember something. You are here for a reason and a purpose and a season. And so is the people that are in your life today. Don't cast people out of your lives because they might not be treating you the way that you think you need to be treated. They will fizzle their way out. You don't have to do anything. This is for somebody right now watching. You don't have to do anything. Trust me. They will fizzle themselves out. You just not let your light go dim. Let your light continue to shine, even though they were going to fizzle out, okay? God is love. God is always love, okay? Remember that. So that is my tea time this morning. Did y'all hear that crisp blowing? And I got my Uggs on today. Look at that. Got my warm Uggs on today. Well, right now. But guys, I will see you guys later. Okay? All right. All right, guys. Shower is done. I feel so good. It feels amazing. Woo! It feels amazing to take a bath or shower. So grateful, so thankful for that. What was I going to say? Oh, hold on a second. We're going to put our autumn look on, okay? Y'all, is this considered makeup to y'all a lot? To me, this is just very minimal to me. I think it is. I put a couple dots there. It just to give you the illusion like somebody got on some makeup. What y'all think? Oh, so anyway, I'm going to see if somebody notices something different in the bedroom. I did something. I tweaked something in the bedroom. And I'm going to see if you guys are going to be able to tell me in these comments, okay? Let me know in the comments. Did you see something different that I tweaked in the bedroom? And guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely comments on these Vlogtober. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to wear Woody Hyacinth. It's like Muggler. Y'all, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells so good. And while we're in here, I'll show you baby over here in the window. Our baby over here. I did give her some fresh water today. Oops, she spilled a little bit. I gave her some fresh water today, as you can see. And I cleaned her really good, like her leaf and all that good stuff. So I don't know if you guys know, her pot is in here. So I'll show you her pot that she's going to be going in as soon as we get her to grow. So this is my pot. Why do I look like it's, oh, look orangey or something? But this is the pot that she's going to be going in. So just imagine when she gets bigger, it's going to be pretty in the bathroom. So guys, I'll see you guys. I'm going to go ahead and start everything. All right. Don't forget, keep the comments coming. Keep them positive. Even when the ones that are not positive, let them stay here, y'all. You're the ones who are loved, right? And you are the ones who are kind. You have to let your light shine. Let them come, no matter how, okay? Y'all, so that's gonna do it for me. Let me know in the comments, because y'all gonna see everything. Tomorrow is Sunday. Y'all gonna see everything in Vlogtober 23rd. I'm not gonna do a room tour, but I'm gonna show you guys everything. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. But anyway, let me know in the comments, what did y'all see today that I didn't tell y'all was gonna do or didn't vlog about or whatever. But yeah, I'm getting ready to head out, but I was gonna show you guys the kitchen like I promised and how it looks in the daylight, you know, daytime with the sun out. So I'm going to do that. But this is my outfit of the day. I am going to, y'all already know, she's going to throw on her cardigan because I don't want my shoulders killed. You could be nice, but I ain't trying to be cold and get sick or anything. But this is outfit of the day. I think it looks nice. So yeah, this here, y'all, I'm going to take this because it's not, I think because the heat and stuff, it made it draw up. What I think I can do with this pussy willow, I'm going to wrap it around the wreath of for the autumn thing. I'm going to put it on the door. So I'm going to put it right there. I think it's going to look nice. But here is how that looks in the daytime. And guys, I do believe that I'm going to do up here too. I think I'm going to do that corner and then the rest of this. Not up at the top, but just that corner. So I hope that's not too bright, but yeah, I'm going to do at the top. So yeah, guys, I really enjoyed hanging out with you guys today. I know it wasn't a long video, but I hope you guys enjoy. And like I said, y'all, be good to yourself, be kind to others, love yourself so you be able to love others, so this world be a much better place. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.